How to get the Witch Doctor in Terraria. So you cannot just wait for him to arrive after building a house in the jungle. He strictly requires you to hunt down and defeat a specific boss first. So just locate the beehive deep inside the underground jungle. So I have one right here. Then you must break the encased larva inside the hive, which is this one right there, so it will look like that. Or you could also craft and consume a bee emanation to summon the queen bee. So first let's destroy it, and the queen bee will summon just like that, and of course you need to kill the queen bee. And once the boss is completely destroyed or defeated, the witch doctor will automatically move into any available valid NPC house during the daytime. While he does not strictly need to live in the jungle to initially spawn, you must build him a house there later to unlock his most valuable inventory. So as you can see, I have him here in my town, but if you place him in the jungle, it will unlock most of the valuable stuff. So you strictly need him to purchase the imbuing station to craft weapon flasks, so as you can see right here. And if you're playing a summoner class, he is absolutely mandatory for buying the pygmy necklace, Hercules beetle, and tiki armor during hard mode. So as you can see, what the tiki armor does is it increases the summon damage and also the whip range by 10%. It also increases your max number of minions by 1. And that is how you basically get the Witch Doctor in Terraria.